In this video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT or any other crypto from Binance to Onboard Wallet. So you go to Onboard Wallet, you click on add, as you can see here, click on add, and then you can choose the crypto, the chain. So far here we have Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Optimism, Polygon, and Arbitrum. So I'm going to send on the Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to send USDT on the Binance Smart Chain from Binance. So I click on USDT. It's there from external wallet. Continue. So I take this. So this is the wallet. Important. Send only BSC to this deposit address to avoid losing funds. So this is my USDT address on the Binance Smart Chain. Let me click on this. As you can see here, deposit USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. So I copy this address and then I take it. I understand. Then I go to Binance. So on Binance, I go to withdraw crypto. Network is a bit slow. So as you can see, I have $10 USDT. So I can search here, but that's my search history. So it's already here. I can search for USDT, which is here. So I have sent to a non-crypto address via crypto network. Yes, I'm sending USDT on the Binance Smart Chain to my Onboard Wallet. So long press, I copy the address from Onboard Wallet, long press it here. And then this is the most important part, this part here. This is very, very important. So you choose the network. I remember it is the Binance Smart Chain. There are very many chains you can use, but in this tutorial, I'm using Binance Smart Chain because that's the address I copied from Onboard Wallet. If I had used maybe the Ethereum chain, then I would also use Ethereum, but I used the Binance Smart Chain, which is BNB chain or BEP20. So I click on this. So I'm going to send maximum. There's a small fee of 0.03 USDT. So I click on withdraw. Ensure the network is correct. That's the key point. Ensure the network is correct. The same network you chose on Onboard Wallet is the same you have to choose on Binance or any other exchange you're using, but in this case you're using Binance. Click confirm. So I verify with I use my fingerprint. I don't use maybe you might use a password or something or a pin. Maybe use my fingerprint, and then the withdrawal is processing. Just after a short while, I'll get a notification. So I've received a notification already. Let me scroll it here. You have received, this is a notification from Onboard Wallet. You have received 9.8 USDT from the address on Binance Smart Chain. So which means it is so quick, it takes like a minute. So USDT has reached already. As you can see, I had one. We said 9 point something. So you click here, continue, and then received. As you can see, the notification is here. It's here, received. It took really a short while, only that I had an issue with the wallet, but it took a short while. So that's how you send USDT or another crypto from Binance to Onboard Wallet. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.